Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint a sea turtle. What is the only ocean sea turtles do not inhabit it? Alright, let's run through the colors. Quinn red, pearly red, cad yellow, primary yellow, Van Dyke brown, phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white, ultramarine blue, Quinn blue. Alright, today we're going to paint a sea turtle. Sea turtles are in every ocean in the world except for the polar regions. So the Arctic area under the North Pole, there's no sea turtles, and obviously around Antarctica, and they generally habitat kind of the continental shelf. So anything with deep ocean, they skip that, so they kind of swim around the continents, probably within 50, 100 miles of shoreline. So that's basically where sea turtles habitate. All right, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So I added kind of this yellow sky, which really isn't in the photo, but I kind of like the contrast the yellow to the blues. And then you got this kind of, swirling waves on top, and then it kind of goes to more cooler waters underneath. So you have a little bit of the wave action, but not quite. I add a little bit more wave than there is. And then you have the baby turtle just swimming along, nice and peaceful. So you have that black contrast to the blue and the yellow. Overall, I like this painting a lot. It's got this really nice kind of transition from above. You got the light on the turtle itself from above, from the sky. I added the sky with yellow. It's really white in the photo, but I kind of like the yellow contrast. I think it just adds that really nice contrast you're looking for, the yellow, the blue, because the black doesn't quite make it. So it just adds a little bit extra pop. It's a little bit unrealistic, but if it was at sunset, you might want to see it like this. I mean, the water might be darker, but whatever. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you want to like it, give me a like. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video, guys. Thanks for watching.